Hi friends, today we will show you 10 interesting and useful gadgets that will definitely come in handy in everyday life, at home, at work, or even on a trip. If you like some of the gadgets, you can always find the links in the description under the video. And to be the first to know about our new videos, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Imagine that you went far away from your friends and got lost in the woods, but even without a cellular connection, you can easily connect with friends if you have this interesting gadget. With Gotenax, you can send SMS or even your location by simply connecting the device to your smartphone via Bluetooth, and Gotenax will create its own autonomous network with other owners of such gadgets. That's why Gotenax is sold in pairs. The range within a city is 1 mile and 4 miles in open areas. We've already shown you a smart robot vacuum cleaner that will clean the house for you, but this time we found a robot that will clean your windows. And don't be afraid that it will fall and break, because it's firmly attached to any kind of window and has a safety cable as well. All you have to do is install the gadget on the window, press the button, and go about your business. After completely cleaning the windows, the robot will return to the starting point and will wait for your further instructions. You just click a button and get washed windows, sparkling glass doors, and a clean shower stall. It definitely deserves your attention. And this cable can last you a lifetime. And not just because it's very wear resistant thanks to the tough nylon and aramid fibers used in aerospace and military technology. On top of all that, it comes with a lifetime warranty from the manufacturer. And due to the dense materials in the composition, this cable resists tangling. Next on our list is a big pillow for your whole body. This pillow is marketed as a pillow for pregnant women, but we're sure that it will suit all fans so you can lie down comfortably. It completely envelops your body and can be transformed into any convenient form depending on your imagination. A cover, like a standard pillowcase, can be removed and washed. This foam roller trigger point will help you relieve pain in your muscles and joints, or just give you a nice massage. The patented multi-layer and multi-density exterior of its design distinguishes trigger point from standard foam rollers by its wear resistance and pleasant sensations like the hands of a masseur doing a massage. By purchasing this roller, you also get free access to an interactive training video library with a variety of exercises from experts. Do you want a rainbow at home? This crystal you hang near a window will help you. When exposed to direct sunlight, it will fill your room with the different colors of a rainbow. It will definitely appeal to children and your cat that will try to catch all the sunbeams. Do you have trouble removing ice cubes from these molds? We have found this handy silicone bucket. It's very easy to use, and in a few stages, you can make as many as 120 ice cubes, which will be compactly stored in this bucket in the freezer and easily removed from the mold. Also, you can put a bottle of your favorite drink in it to cool. Very easy, isn't it? The next useful thing on our list will help you notify others when you ride, for example, a skateboard or just out for a run. This is a handheld bell weighing less 30 grams, which works like a normal bike bell, but it can be worn on your finger like a ring. The ring size is easily adjustable, and it can be worn even on top of a glove. Do your reading glasses take up a lot of space? Then take a look at this option of thin folding glasses with polycarbonate lenses and ultra-flexible titanium alloy bridge that sit well on the bridge of your nose and do not fall down, even if you shake your head. In addition, they can be easily folded into a special case and attached to your smartphone or even worn as a keychain. This device looks very modern and practical, doesn't it? Let's finish today's selection with this glove with built-in lighting. You can highlight the workspace and easily do what you need with a single click of a button. This glove is powered by 2 AAA batteries and is suitable for both right and left hands, thanks to its universal design. Why didn't they think of this before? Write in the comments what goods in today's selection you like the most and what gadgets seem absolutely useless. See you soon.